Camera is rolling. Let me introduce you to Mr. Puneet from SR Automotive. And this is Tiger. This is Mr. Satish with 4x4. He will climb anything and rain forest challenge ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದವ್ರೆ. Through him I got to know him, and eventually we got a Suzuki Grand Vitara 2-liter which is slightly underpowered. Good enough. So 2.4 is supposed to be better. So they've got an immaculate clean car which went all the way to Leh, Ladakh or whatever, Himalayas and all that, Himachal Pradesh, has come back absolutely with no scratches, nothing. And they enjoyed the drive from Bangalore all over and got back. And he had plans of having proving the heart operation. Eventually somehow it came true, and he convinced him, yes, he's safe. ಇದು ಅದು ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡ್ರು ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸು ವಿಗ್ರಹಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು. No, he took it for a small drive. He will, whatever little explanation from before to now, he supplied all the parts, all engine parts, everything. Bade, bearing, belt, chain, valve, rubber seal, everything. I put some magic oil, that is all. So it's become quite silent now from voice to voice. So he has driven this vehicle enough to go to Himalayas to know, even in his sleep he'll know, he's told today, he's told today. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋರಿಸು? ಹೇಳಿ
ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸತೀಶ್ ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 4 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸು, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ಲವರ್. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ his hands on my car so that it really boosted. Satish sir, now I think I asked him around 3 months back. Once I asked, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರು. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಸರ್ ಎನಿ ಡೇ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಂದರು. ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ, ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, now I drove, literally it was 1.4 RPM. I was observing 5th gear 30 and there was zero lag, I can say. I think this would be my daily commuting vehicle at least for next couple of months, so that I want to enjoy the magic what Singh sir has done.
And the best part was that all we did was with the AC on. So
yeah, that was something. The AC was at the highest.
Because normally the AC, most of the cars, you will get to the back, but there was no lag with that. And it was like feather touch now. This minute you touch, you're getting. And I'm sure the smoothness and cabin noise, everything is greatly come down.
Almost, I can say it is zero. The sound was almost zero.
Sir, I wish you the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you. You also have a drive when you're going back. Do everything. And incidentally, Mr. Puneet is the largest supplier of original Maruti Suzuki parts and original Suzuki parts in whole of South India. So if you want anything, SR Automotive will supply it and door deliver it to you by whatever mode. And thank you because you gave all the spare parts. I will be receiving you.
It was my privilege and honored that you have touched the car.
That is Chamunda Master. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.